Let's go slowly. Yeah.
Olga.
Okay, so we start like this. So we start with the kick. No, it's okay, it's okay. Because I may have I need one guy there. Yeah. See here. So you start with the kick. You go kick 1, you go back 2, 3. Lock step forward. 4 and 1. Now side points. 2, 3. So let's do it again. So we have a kick 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Points 2, 3. Shakes 4, 1 into the ronde. One more time. Yeah, try to stay close. So yeah, like this. And you a little bit here. Right. You go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. From here we have cross behind 2 and 3. And now we have to turn same time. Same like me. No, okay, that's too much. Same like me. 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Pockets. Excellent. So we turn the same as the front person. So here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Hold count 2. Hold count 3. Hip circle. 4 hit 1. And you can turn this way. Now go back 2 and 3. Body wave. 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, one more time. Yes, from beginning. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, cha cha 1, 2, 3. Don't step. 3. Now go from this leg, cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Cross 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 hit position 1, 2, 3. You turn. You turn your head.
Oh, just
yeah, turn your head. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. And we go kick. Kick 1. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Cha cha. Same step. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So I kind of go back. Arm up. Arm over your head and go turn. 2 and 3, 4 and 1. 2, 3. Go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. What do you think?
Good, but I don't remember.
It's okay. Go slow. Go slowly with the girls.